Hello, and welcome to the SimpleFX video tutorial. In this video, I will show you where you can find trading conditions and trading hours in your SimpleFX app. First, you have to find an instrument. Let's say you want to check Bitcoin versus US dollar. Tap on search icon and type BTC USD. Select that instrument and tap on the I symbol at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you can see all the trading conditions, like type of instrument, required margin, or effective leverage. Swipe down to see trading hours for every day of the week. Now you know where to find trading conditions and trading hours in your SimpleFX app. Watch more tutorials for an in-depth look at trading features. Have a good day and a good trade.